Hi, I'm your host Lena. Welcome back to Stay Healthy Notes. Here's how to make nervous system tonic. Things needed for that: scale, clove buds, tinctures, a canning jar, foil, and a label with dates.
Motherwort Tincture 25 ml, Hawthorn Tincture-25ml, Peony Tincture-25ml, Eucalyptus Tincture-50ml, 2 bottles 25 ml each, Mint Tincture 50 ml, 2 bottles 25 ml each. Corvalol Tincture 25 ml. The bottle I have is 30 ml, and that's okay to use all 30 ml. Valerian Tincture 25 ml, Siberian Ginseng-25 ml. Together with that goes 10 grams of dried clove buds.
Close it with a lid. Wrap it with a foil. Make sure it's closed tightly. Label with dates. Place canning jar in a dark place for 10 days, shaking daily. And I will see you in 10 days. Welcome back. 10 days passed. I will now pour the tincture into the bottles that I have saved and created labels for, using the funnel.
Alcohol-based tinctures have a long shelf life, up to 3 years and longer if stored in a room temperature away from direct sunlight. Take up to 25 drops, mix it with a small amount of water for up to 3 to 4 times a day or as needed. It provides sedative effect to the central nervous system, regulates blood pressure, reduces stress, provides calming effect, helps with sleep disorders, antiseptic, relieves anxiety, irritability, calms down with crying, helps with panic attacks, cardio-tonic. Do not use with other sedative drugs or if allergic. Not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. Do not drive or operate any machinery after taking it. If tonic didn't help within 3 days, it is recommended to see a specialist. If you won't take care of yourself, no one will do it for you. Stay healthy at stayhealthynotes.com.